Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver or ratchet, 8mm socket, and your plastic panel popper. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video for a 1999 to 07 Ford Superduty. So let's get started. First step, go ahead and remove two 8mm bolts. Next, using your panel popper, we're going to pop off the side right here. Start with the top and then the bottom. Next, we're going to disconnect these two bulb sockets by turning them counterclockwise. Go ahead and bring over your taillight. Now, before we install our taillight, go ahead and inspect your rubber gasket seal. Make sure they're intact on both bulb sockets. After that, go ahead and install them into your taillight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Make sure they're nice and snug. Next, we're going to drop these two guide pins into the slot. Carefully push them in place. Then from here, go ahead and install your two 8mm bolts. Now that we're finished installing our passenger side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your taillights, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.